Ever wondered why some younger women are drawn to older men? Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of age gap attractions. We'll explore the top 6 reasons why younger women often find older men irresistible. From the wisdom that comes with experience to the allure of a stable life, we're breaking down what really catches their eye. By the end of this video, you'll understand the unique qualities that can make these relationships so appealing. And don't forget, we've got a special bonus tip waiting for you at the end of this video. It's an extra insight that perfectly complements our discussion and offers a unique perspective. You won't want to miss this valuable piece of wisdom. 1. Maturity and emotional stability. Let's jump right into the first reason why younger women often find older men appealing: their maturity and emotional stability. What is it about these qualities that resonate so profoundly? Let's take a closer look. Maturity in older men isn't just about their years. It's about the depth of their life experiences and the wisdom they've accumulated. This maturity manifests as a calm, stable presence that can be incredibly reassuring in a relationship. It's the kind of composure that comes from having navigated various challenges and knowing that most storms can be weathered. For younger women, this can provide a comforting sense of security and balance. A key component of maturity is emotional stability, which is equally crucial. Unlike the often chaotic emotional landscape of youth, older men tend to have a more measured approach to their emotion. They're less likely to react impulsively and more likely to respond thoughtfully, having learned the value of understanding and managing their feelings. This doesn't mean they are devoid of emotion. Rather, they possess a refined ability to express their emotions in a way that creates understanding and connection. This emotional stability is attractive because it suggests a partner who can offer support and understanding rather than adding to the chaos of life's ups and downs. It's about having a partner who's physically present, emotionally grounded, and available. 2. Life experience. It's curious how the wealth of life experiences older men possess plays a crucial role in attracting younger women. What is it about these experiences that's so compelling? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating aspect. The life experiences of older men are like a vast library of stories, lessons, and insights. These experiences range from professional achievements and personal adventures to deeper emotional journeys and challenges overcome. Each of these experiences has contributed to their rich tapestry of knowledge and perspective on life. For a younger woman, being with someone who has such a breadth of life experience can be incredibly intriguing and enlightening. These life experiences offer a unique perspective that can only be gained over time. It's not just about the number of years lived, but about what has been learned, felt, and seen during those years. This wisdom can bring a new dimension to the relationship, offering guidance, stability, and, often, a refreshing outlook on life's many facets. For younger women, the appeal of this wisdom is multifaceted. It's about having someone who can share valuable life lessons, offer different viewpoints on complex situations, and provide insights that might not be immediately apparent to someone with less life experience. This can lead to a relationship that is not just about romantic connection, but also about personal growth and learning. 3. Social position. The allure of the established social position often held by older men is a significant factor in their attractiveness. What is it about their social status that captivates younger women? We'll take a closer look to understand this better. The social position of older men is not just about their career achievements or financial status. It's more about the respect and influence they've garnered over the years. This comes from professional success and a lifetime of forming meaningful connections and contributing to their communities. There's an inherent appeal in being with someone who is well-respected and influential in their circles. Such men often come from a different generation, bringing with them a blend of traditional values and modern perspectives. This can be particularly attractive to many younger women who appreciate a more traditional approach in relationships, where respect and care are extremely significant. It's about the charm of old-school romance, combined with contemporary understandings of a partnership. Moreover, dating an older man is often seen as an elevated social status for the younger woman. A certain prestige comes with being associated with someone with an established presence in society. This isn't just about superficial benefits. It's about the sense of security and the doors that open when connected to someone influential. Are you finding these insights intriguing? If so, we'd love to hear from you. Give us a thumbs up or drop a comment with your own thoughts or experiences. Your interaction is what shapes our community, so every like, comment, and subscription is greatly appreciated. 4. Commitment friendly. There's no question that younger women are often attracted to older men for their openness to commitment. It's a trait that brings reliability and seriousness to a relationship. But what makes this readiness for commitment so appealing? We're going to explore this aspect in more detail. Having experienced much of what life has to offer, older men often reach a point where they're looking for stability and meaningful connection. This contrasts the common perception of younger men, who might still be exploring and not ready to settle down. The maturity and life experiences of older men usually translate into a desire for deeper, more committed relationships. This readiness for commitment is attractive because it offers a sense of security and seriousness. It reassures the younger woman that the relationship is built on a foundation of mutual respect and long-term intentions. It's about having a partner who is not just there for the fun times, but is also prepared to face the challenges and responsibilities that come with a serious relationship. Moreover, the commitment-friendly nature of older men often emits a halo of contentment and joy. It's the kind of happiness that comes from knowing what you want in life and being ready to embrace it fully. This can particularly appeal to younger women seeking a stable, fulfilling partnership. 5. Shared interests and intellectual connection. Let's talk about the potential for deep intellectual connections and shared interests in relationships between younger women and older men. Why are these factors so significant? We're about to dive into how these elements contribute to the unique dynamics of these relationships. The extensive knowledge and rich life experiences of older men often lay the groundwork for deep intellectual connections and shared interests. These men often bring a wealth of information and insights from various facets of life, be it culture, literature, travel, or personal experiences. This depth of knowledge makes conversations more engaging and enlightening, and opens doors to shared interests that might not be as readily found in peers of a younger age. This intellectual connection is appealing because it goes beyond surface-level interaction. It's about connecting on a deeper, more cerebral level. This can be particularly attractive for a younger woman, as it offers an opportunity to learn, grow, and see the world from different perspectives. The allure lies in the richness of conversations, the exchange of ideas, and the mutual exploration of each other's worlds. Moreover, shared interests encouraged by this intellectual bond can lead to activities and experiences that are both enriching and bonding. Whether it's attending a classical music concert, visiting a museum, or engaging in lively debates about current affairs, these shared activities enhance the relationship by providing common ground and opportunities for growth. 6. Clarity and directness in relationships. Let's examine a key reason why younger women may be drawn to older men. It's their tendency to bring clarity and directness into relationships. But what is it about this clear and straightforward approach that's so attractive? Let's unpack this intriguing trait. Older men typically bring a level of clarity and directness to their relationships that can be quite refreshing. This straightforwardness stems from a combination of life experiences, self-awareness, and a better understanding of what they want in a relationship. Unlike the often ambiguous or indirect communication styles that can characterize the dating experiences of younger individuals, older men tend to be more upfront and clear about their intentions, desires, and expectations. This clear and direct approach is appealing because it eliminates much of the guesswork and uncertainty that can plague the early stages of a relationship. For a younger woman, this can be a welcome change. It offers a sense of security and honesty, allowing her to understand exactly where she stands in the relationship. This transparency develops trust and allows for a more genuine connection to develop. Moreover, this clarity often extends to problem-solving within the relationship. Older men are generally more capable of expressing their concerns and addressing issues head-on, rather than being passive-aggressive about it. This can lead to a healthier and more mature handling of relationship dynamics. Bonus tip: respect and appreciation for the relationship. As we wrap up, here's an invaluable bonus tip: the crucial role of respect and appreciation in the relationship. Why are these elements so fundamental? Let's check out this aspect. Respect in a relationship goes beyond mere politeness. It's about valuing each other's opinions, feelings, and experiences. For older men, showing respect means acknowledging and appreciating the youth, vitality, and perspective that a younger woman brings to the table. Similarly, for younger women, respecting an older man involves valuing his life experiences, wisdom, and the maturity he brings into the relationship. Appreciation is another key facet. It's about recognizing and being grateful for each other's unique qualities and contributions to the relationship. This mutual appreciation allows a deep sense of connection and partnership. It's not just about enjoying the good times together, but also about appreciating each partner's support and stability, especially during challenging moments. This mutual understanding and valuing of each other's qualities are what make a relationship thrive, not just survive. It's about seeing and celebrating the differences as strengths, creating a bond that is based on deep respect and genuine appreciation. Having explored why younger women are drawn to older men, what's your next area of interest? Is it the strongest signs of sexual tension? or the things younger women do when hitting on older men. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.